Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen okra in an Instant Pot. So we have a bag of frozen okra, no need to defrost, we cook it straight from frozen. So it's frozen salad. And now let's open a package of frozen okra and open the Instant Pot. And I will add 1 cup of water for pressure cooking. And put okra in the Instant Pot. And now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 1 minute on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here's perfectly cooked okra. This Instant Pot okra is perfectly cooked and tender. Now let me take it out of the Instant Pot onto a plate. Looks delicious and perfectly cooked. And now you can season it with your favorite seasonings. I'm just going to drizzle it with a little olive oil and sprinkle a little salt and pepper. Other seasonings you can use is melted butter, minced garlic or garlic powder, or paprika. So you can use seasonings of your choice. Let me sprinkle it with salt, pepper, and drizzle with olive oil. Delicious. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. Let me just show you that it's super tender. It cuts very easily. And let's try it. Delicious. This okra is so tender and so tasty and healthy. You're going to love cooking it in the Instant Pot. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!